everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. Now today's video is the long-awaited Glossy box. All that glitters. Yes! I've had to film this again because the dogs are playing up. So I kind of know what's in here already. So, oh, I thought that one of the lights was going to go then. So, yeah, let's just dive straight on in. So, first to start off with, we have got the Cosmic Unicorn Limited Edition Moon and Sparkles Unicorn Dust Fantasy Icons Shower Gel. Smells fabulous. That is a full-size carton, and that retails at $1.99. So we've got that. The next thing that we've got is the Nico Pro, and it is a liquid jelly blush, and it's got shimmers of gold combined with a beautiful pink hue. Now I did put some on my hand earlier, but obviously it's now rubbed off, so I'll just pop that back on and put some more on if I can lift the thing out. There we go. Take that out of there. Pop that back into there. Pop the lid back on. Kind of. And then we'll, as you can see, nice liquid blush there. So that'll be quite nice to use. I've got quite a few like liquidy facial products, so that'd be quite nice to use. And that retails at, did I say £12? So the next thing that we've got here is the Divine Hydrogel Lip Mask, and this retails at £7.50, and this is basically for plump, smooth and kissable lips, ready for when you're underneath that mistletoe. So you've got that. The next thing we have got, I'm trying to get this done quickly because these two are going to start playing up again. Bella Pierre Shimmer Roll, and this is for your body, face and eyes, and this retails at $19.99. And I'm just gonna, oh yeah, oh, there's quite a bit of it back. Sorry about that. And there's your shimmer roll, so that's quite cool. So the next item that we've got is a blah 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 blah. Where is it? Relentless Matte Lip Crayon, and it's Winterberry. And it's by a company called Juice. So I'll just pop that on there, and that's a really nice berry colour. Actually, that's perfect. I love that colour. That might actually be coming with me to my Christmas party that I'm going to this week. And then you also get a free gift, and it is this pore strip with charcoal. Removes blackheads apparently, so we can give that a whirl. I don't usually review these, but I think as a Christmas box, I'm actually not that impressed. I've had others like the Halloween and things like that. I'm actually not that impressed with this box this month. I thought Christmas you might have got a few more bits and pieces, maybe a palette or something like that, but what can you do? What can you do? So, not my favourite box. Not my favourite box. I mean, the box itself is quite cool, but not my favourite content. But that is my Glossy box for the month of December. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. If you're not subscribed already, then please do subscribe. Why wouldn't you? It's free. And then, look. Yeah! Have a fabulous Christmas, and I am hopefully going to be doing some more videos in the next few weeks. So have a great Christmas. Have a happy New Year. You look after yourselves. You look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk, and remember, keep creating.